Welcome back to another Camino video. My name is John Roy, and today we're going to learn about Camino Blister Management using bubble wrap. In my previous blister management video, I showed you how to use a needle and thread to take care of your blister. It has been pointed out to me recently that to leave a thread in your blister would also leave an avenue for bacteria to get in and cause infection, and that would only make it worse. So today I'm going to show you an even easier way to take care of your blisters. Okay, so we're just going to grab our Camino first aid kit and grab a few items out of it to help us with this task. First of all, we'll grab our antiseptic cream. In Canada it's called polysporin. Obviously we're going to need a band-aid or a plaster. I'm going to grab myself an antiseptic pad to help sterilize the needle that is going to come out of my travel sewing kit. We won't need the thread, but we'll just grab a needle out of that. So we're going to keep this very simple. We're going to take our needle, we're going to take our antiseptic pad and sterilize it as best we can. And then we're going to grab our blister, in this case represented by bubble wrap. And we are going to insert the needle in one side and right out the other side, pulling it right through. And this will allow the blister to deflate and drain, but we'll keep that skin on there to give you a solid walking surface for your next day so you're not in total agony. After you finish piercing your blister, you're going to take your band-aid or plaster and apply some antiseptic cream to it, and then put that over top of your blister. Leave that on until the next morning and check it to make sure that it is good. You may want to apply another plaster to it, but it should be good to walk on for your day. Well, that should take care of your blisters quickly and easily and let you walk on them the next day with no issue. Please let me know in the comments below if there's anything you do differently with your blisters. And don't forget to like and share with your friends. And as always, please subscribe. Thanks again for watching, and buen camino.